Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gmail templates for faster email workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Gmail templates for faster email workflows, start by opening your Gmail account. Locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your inbox. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. In the drop-down, select See All Settings. Navigate to the Advanced tab within the settings. Find the option labeled Templates. Click on the radio button to enable templates. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. After the page reloads, return to your inbox. Now, compose a new email by clicking the Compose button. In the new message window, create your template by entering the desired text. Once you're satisfied with the content, click on the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Hover over Templates in the drop-down menu. Select Save Draft as Template and then choose Save as New Template. Name your template for easy recognition. To use your template in the future, click Compose to start a new email. Again, click on the three vertical dots in the Compose window. Hover over Templates, and you will see your saved templates listed. Select the template you want to use. The content of your template will now populate in the email window. Make any necessary adjustments before sending. With templates enabled, you can create multiple templates for different purposes. This feature can significantly streamline your email processes. Consider reviewing your templates periodically to ensure they remain relevant. Using Gmail templates will save you time and enhance your workflow efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.